Coventry Building Society is the second biggest building society in the UK. We also have been on an absolute journey over the last few years to digitise the business and make more avenues available to our members, as well as fantastic customer services across multiple different channels. So I think as part of our overall technology strategy and our move towards the cloud, we recognised that we hadn't necessarily got all of the skills internally. So in order to, help with our 2012 estate, our move into the cloud, it was critical that we onboarded a really good partner that could do both the delivery work, but do that skills sustainability as well.
It was really important that we got someone that we trusted. Within Cognizant, we've worked with them for many years, and the way that they talked about transformation, it was excellent. Cognizant really stood out from the crowd. They talked about people rather than technology. All suppliers can do technology, but it was really the people change that stood out.
Cognizant worked together with AWS as well as CBS colleagues to help build a new culture when it comes to cloud transformation and adoption. We worked on something called the Lighthouse Project, which is taking a small application, taking it from on-prem and onto cloud. This showed the way forward in terms of what good can look like to the rest of the business, but also build that momentum around cloud transformation.
So Coventry Building Society had a Windows 2012 estate which was going out of support. They wanted to migrate to cloud as part of their cloud-first strategy. Cognizant and AWS worked together to build them a suitable landing zone to enable their people to operate their workloads once migrated into that environment, and worked with CBS at every step of the way to make sure they were involved. Coventry Building Society now have an enterprise-ready landing zone which allows them to build in a resilient manner for the future.
This project really that we entered on with AWS to build them a brand new landing zone allows them to have a platform where they can now build new products and new capabilities a lot faster and a lot quicker. This means that they can serve their customers in much better, efficient manners than before, specifically through their mobile application and all new customer journeys that they couldn't do before.
The relationship with Cognizant is growing. It's a great relationship at the moment. I expect it to move forward. We see them as a strategic partner, both in kind of that cloud centre of excellence and the platform, in testing, and I think there'll be other opportunities for them as well.
I think obviously, we continue to have a large portfolio of work. Cognizant bring a raft of technical skills to that, and that will continue to grow as we develop the relationship.